A cheerful good morning to our Honorable CEO Ma'am, Mrs. Manisha Andansare, respected HMs of various sections, teachers and my dear students. We welcome you all to the celebration of our 76th Republic Day of our country. I request our CEO Ma'am to unfurl the flag for us. I also request our veteran teacher, Mrs. Usha Sankhe, to accompany Ma'am for the event. Ma'am, I request you to do the honors of unfurling the flag.
Russia salute! Salute!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Down!
Thank you, ma'am, for doing this honor. As we celebrate this historical day, we honor the spirit of our nation and the vision of the great leaders who laid the foundation of our republic. Let us begin this day of pride and patriotism. We have the head boy of the school, who is also the CSM of NCC Army. He'll come forward and he'll request ma'am to conduct the inspection for the platoons.
जय श्रीमती श्रीमती ट्रेनर्स हाईस्कूल के तीन विद्यार्थी परेड पर परेड विकेट के तैयार है प्लेटून सावधान
I also request our Usha Miss to join ma'am for the inspection. Harika Rai and Shravani Shewari. Platoon. We can see their appearance, posture, overall readiness.
Start! Saवधान
Today's parade is a special parade for our second year Army and Navy cadets because this parade is called as the Passing Out Parade. These students have attended the combined annual training camp and have successfully completed it. They have been certified for the same. Inspection goes on with the unit's discipline, preparedness, adherence to the military standards. We can see the every detail, the shining of the belt buckle, the precise alignment of the badges. Inspection contributes to the while observing the inspection.
श्रीमती मार्च पास्ट शुरू करेंगे अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
With the synchronizing steps of marching platoons, we have the first troop of our NCCRB troop is Deep Gowde and the flag bearer is Aryan Dimle. A spectacular display of discipline, unity and patriotism. The sharp commands of the parade commanders recalls across the expanse, followed by the thunderous response of forward march. The Army Troop, NCC Army Troop is headed by Deep Gawade and the flag entire troop of the March Past is led by Master Utkarsh Mishra, who's the commanding officer. The second troop we have of Navy, NCC Navy. This troop is headed by Master Tani. Tani Jain is a football player at Thane district. The uniforms are gleaming, they are precise, their movements are sharp. The third troop is of our proud NCC Army girls. The entire troop is. The next troop which is approaching is school troop. Girls troop. The school troop flag bearer is Kinjal Gupta. She is also a throwball player at the DSO level. The next troop is school boys troop. Boys troop commander is Fawaz Konkari, who's a carom player. Followed by the school troop section. At this level, we are instilling the feeling of patriotism in our primary students too. The primary section commander is Master Anav Safrao. The commander is Sarvesh Katre and the flag bearers are Niveda. By Vallari. They are all moving 14 steps ahead to take the national pledge.
शपथ के लिए तैयार। भारत मेरा देश है। भारत मेरा देश है। सभी भारतीय मेरे भाई बहन हैं। मुझे अपने देश से प्यार है। मैं अपने बहन परंपराओं का सफल अनुयायी बनने की प्रयत्न करूंगा। मैं अपने माता पिता तथा गुरुजनों का सम्मान करूंगा। मैं अपने देश और देशवासियों के प्रति सम्मान रखूंगा। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
उधळित शतकिरणा उधळित जनहृदया प्रभात आला रे प्रभात रविउदया तिमिराची रजनी गेली रे गेली लया उधळित शतकिरणा उधळित जनहृदया प्रभात आला रे प्रभात रविउदया तिमिराची रजनी गेली रे गेली लया उधळित शतकिरणा आहा सरकती चंचल जललहरी लहरी सजली वसुंधरा मधुमय मंगल स्वरलहरी चढल्या भिडल्या दिगंतरा दिता दुर्गुभीच्या नादा संगे अंबराच्या मंदिरात मन वाजे सनई जय जय बोला कोटी कोटी कंठारी भारताच्या भविष्याच्या पहाटेच्या सवयी उधळित शतकिरणा उधळित जनहृदया प्रभात आला रे प्रभात रविउदया तिमिराची रजनी गेली रे गेली लया उधळित शतकिरणा आहा जलकरी वंदन नवयुवका जगनी वेदसे नवारवी तुझसी न बंधन गणपती का तुझली तुझला निशानवी जय तारा प्राण आता संकारली दारुणाच्या सामर्थ्याला कारुण्याचे साधले त्या भूमीला आकाशाचे आशीर्वाद लावावे पौरुषाला विक्रमाचे वैभवाचे हादरे प्रार्थना भावना अर्चना उधळित शतकिरणा उधळित जनहृदया प्रभात आला रे प्रभात रविउदया तिमिराची रजनी गेली रे गेली लया उधळित शतकिरणा आहा
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, HMs of various sections, esteemed teachers, and my fellow friends. A very happy Republic Day to all of you. Today, as we stand beneath the fluttering tricolor, there is a deep sense of pride and responsibility that fills the air. On this day, 26th January 1950, India adopted its constitution, marking the birth of the largest democracy in the world. It was on this day that India became a republic, a sovereign state where the power lies with the people. But let us not be content simply with the knowledge of this history. Republic Day is not just a day to look back, it is a day to look forward. It is a journey we reflect upon and to ask ourselves, what have we done with the gift of freedom? How are we, the youth of this nation, responsible in fulfilling the desires of those who sacrificed everything to give us this liberty? India today is vibrant, dynamic, and full of potential. We are witnessing a new wave of progress, a revolution of thought, action, and innovation. We are showing the world that India is a land of ideas, creativity, and opportunity. India's GDP grew significantly in the past decade, making us the world's fifth largest economy by nominal GDP in 2025. India has made major strides in space exploration, such as the successful Chandrayaan-2 mission on the moon and the Mangalyaan mission, which continues to provide valuable data. The Ayushman Bharat scheme aims to provide health insurance to over 500 million people, making it the world's largest health insurance program. India has seen rising success in, but with great power comes great responsibility. We are the youth, the torchbearers of a new India, an India that is still striving to overcome its challenges. We have made significant progress, but let us not forget that while we celebrate our achievements, we must also acknowledge the social injustice, inequalities, and struggles faced by our fellow citizens. We are the youth of India, and the future is ours to shape. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, we have to dream before our dreams come true. So let us dream big, work hard, and build an India that inspires the world. On this Republic Day, let us rise as one and show the world the true strength of a republic built by its people. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Bhumika.
आने जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी वो प्रेम गीत, उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो। भीगती बसों में आज, फूलती रंगों में आज, आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड
has evoked a feeling of love, pride and devotion towards our motherland. As we conclude, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Honorable CEO Ma'am, Mrs. Manisha Andansare, HMs of various sections, Usha Miss, teaching, non-teaching staff, dear students, for making this event effective. Let's carry the spirit of patriotism in our hearts and work together to build a bright future for India. Jai Hind. Wishing you all a happy Republic Day. Thank you so much for being with us.